but I'm getting a lot of stuff done, and that's as I like it, to get stuff done. Looking at a beautiful seascape here right now. I wish I could show it to you, but it'll probably burn out the lens. So let's get started with 3 at 3. First, let me shut down these two so they don't just scream at me the whole time. There we go. All right, it is the 17th of September, 2020. I am Jon Najarian, 3 at 3, presented by Market Rebellion. Our disclaimer is that this is for educational and informational purposes only. I apologize for being late and for this being rather short today, but nonetheless, I've got 3 stocks for you that I think you should pay attention to. But remember, all investments do involve risk. Now let's take a look at the intellectual property rights notice, which says that we have trademarks, patents, registered marks, as well as copyrights on what you're about to see. Please cite marketrebellion.com if you use any of it, and please do ask us first. Thank you. Well, BHC already working for us. As you know, I talked about this one yesterday, Bausch Health. They were buying the October 18 calls. Stock was $16.48. They bought those calls for between $42 each and $78 each. And as you might imagine, with the stock moving up $1 because it was $16.48, screenshot just moments ago was $17.40, up 3%. We are already in the profit column for Bausch Health, BHC. Bang. Now for the fresh 3 at 3 right after this. If you'd like to learn more about trading, stock, options, futures, cryptocurrencies, come on over to marketrebellion.com/get started. That is marketrebellion.com/get started. We've got courses for all manner of trading at marketrebellion.com. Thank you. All right, first trade today, infrastructure, MT Mittal. MT, steel company, largest steel company in the world now, based in India, and they are buying the September 25th expiration, not tomorrow, which would be the 18th, but 7 days hence, which would be the 25th. So they bought these calls, the September 14 calls. Again, they expire the 25th of September, and they paid 14 cents to 30 cents, which means $14 a piece, which means for a 10 lot of those 14-cent options, it would be not $14, but $140. A 10,000 share equivalent, 100 lot, would mean that you only had to spend $1,400 or up to $3,000, depending on how you did it. So I think that Mittal represents a nice play into next week. And so I am in this trade. You will note that it does not include the earnings, which are 11/5, November 5th after the close. Second trade of our 3 at 3, FCX. This is Freeport, FCX, Freeport, another infrastructure play. Seems to be a common theme here. October 16 calls. These are the 2nd of October 16 calls. So that's 2 weeks into the future. Not this Friday, the 18th, not the September 25th, but October 2nd expiration. The 16 calls, so they're buying an in-the-money call. So you're not really asking it to do terribly much when you're buying an in-the-money call, folks. This is more or less what many of us would refer to as a stock surrogate. This will move just like stock, unless it's going down, and then it'll move less than stock once it crosses that strike price, 16. But these are fairly deep in the money. We purchased them for 96 cents up to $1.43. My entry price was, I believe, $1.25 on these. So watch this one. See if it doesn't move. So $1.25 means versus where it is now, I'm only 10 cents of extrinsic or out value that is not just in the money, which would be intrinsic. These, the right to buy it at 16 when it's trading 17.15 is $1.15. Bang. These also do not capture the earnings, which will be the 22nd of October. Last one of our 3 at 3, Taiwan Semi, or Semi, as Joe Terranova might say. Hi, Joe. Taiwan Semi, take a look. October 86 calls. That is approximately a $4 out of the money call. Those of you who watch me regularly know that I don't like really buying those calls. I like buying a call closer to the strike and selling the out of the money calls, which I did in this case. But nonetheless, the catalyst for the trade was the buying of these out of the money calls, these 86 calls for $1.18, and that means $118 each. So a 10 lot would be $1,180. A 100 lot would be $11,000. You get the idea. Every option is for 100 shares of stock. Semis have been a hot sector. I like this one. Those are my 3 trades for today, folks. If you'd like to learn more about what we do, please take the first step and go to marketrebellion.com/get started. That is marketrebellion.com/get started. Just moving the camera around a little bit so you could see some of those cool waves as they're crashing out there, because there's a lot of cool stuff going on. Anyway, thank you for joining me today, folks. Wish I had more time, but I got to get back out there and enjoy that beautiful lake. Thank you. Talk to you later. Bye.